The subject of today's video is the YouTube money-making success formula for affiliate marketers. Hello, my name is Novak and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. Thank you. Now, I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Now, quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sale price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer or advertiser. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. These programs will ask you for a credit card when you apply. Don't give it to them. Do your background research first. Now, YouTube is one of the most visited sites on the internet. In fact, it's second only to Google. It's a perfect place to showcase your creativity. What you might not know is that it's also a valuable platform to increasing your affiliate profits. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is a smart way to provide extra value to your audience while earning revenue at the same time. While YouTube offers various built-in ways of monetizing your content, affiliate marketing gives you direct control over what products you promote and enables you to see more of the resulting profits. This video will discuss how affiliate marketing works on YouTube and why you might want to get involved. We'll show you how to get started, so let's jump right in. Now, the benefits of using YouTube for affiliate marketing. If you haven't already, the first thing you need to do is create a free YouTube channel. It's free and easy, so there's no problem getting one set up. That's your first step. You have to do that, obviously. Then once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewing, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. That is going to take some time, so be patient. YouTube will send you an email to join the Partner Program, so for now, concentrate on making at least one video a week. 3 videos a week would be ideal. In fact, you can use one script and do 3 separate videos from that one script, and then use Canva, that's C-A-N-V-A, Canva, to create your beginning thumbnails for each video. That's a little placard thing at the very beginning of the video that tells you what's in the video. Make sure the thumbnail is relevant to the topic in your video, and name each video file with different keyword headlines in the video content before downloading it to YouTube. In other words, rename the video that you're downloading into YouTube with the headlines and keywords that are pertinent to the content that's in the video. Now, if you don't like being on camera, there are services you can pay to do the video for you. Do a Google search for these services. Now, Fiverr, F-I-V-E-R-R, Fiverr.com has video freelancers who can do all the work for you on and off camera. Obviously, the first thing that's important is create relevant and engaging content. The first step is to make sure you're able to attract an audience. After all, there's not much point in promoting your affiliate links to non-existent viewers. Obviously, if your niche is weight loss, then getting an audience will not be a problem. However, a vital factor in any affiliate marketing campaign is making sure you can provide top-notch content. The quality of your videos will encourage viewers to visit your channel and trust your advice, as is the case with your blog post. Having a blog is also very important. Therefore, you must find the right niche and produce videos relevant to the products or services you want to promote. As one example, you could devote your channel largely to review other people's videos, where you discuss and rate different affiliate products on other videos. This will provide actual value to your viewers and help you grow your audience. Just make sure that you give an honest assessment of each item and be engaging. This will help ensure viewers trust your judgment when you present them with the video affiliate links in your description. Number 2, add affiliate links to descriptions and the videos themselves. As you can see below my video are a couple of links. One is for 2 free ebooks, and the next one is the subscribe link. And then below that, where it says show more, are all my affiliate links for all my affiliate programs that I'm promoting. The easiest way to include affiliate links alongside your videos is to add them to your video descriptions, like I just said. These appear underneath each video, and there's no limit to the number of links you can post within your description. However, there is a 5,000 character limit, so you can only get up to 5,000 characters, which is a lot in your description. Using YouTube to get affiliate sales. With more than 1.8 billion, that's billion with a B, people using YouTube, do you think you can get a few people to visit your YouTube channel, watch a YouTube video, click on your affiliate link, and then make a purchase from you? I think it can happen. By simply getting a few people to watch a few YouTube videos and then reminding them to buy things they want, you can have the lifestyle you've been dreaming about. YouTube is a powerful promotional tool because it gives you an easy way to connect with an audience and talk to them about the products and services you love. There are different types of videos you can post on your YouTube channel to make sales. Let's go over a few of these. One is product or service reviews. If you purchase a product that you love or find a service that is very helpful to you, you're likely to tell a few people about it. A normal person will say to a friend or family member, but you're not normal anymore. You're a YouTuber now. You're going to tell everyone who will listen about your experience with a particular product or service that appeals to your target audience. Then you're going to get paid a commission when they decide to get the same results or experience that you got. There are a couple of ways that you can do reviews. First, you might decide to review the product you've chosen to use and then tell people about the features and why you like it. Also put in anything that you might not like about it. So, you got to be honest, do both sides of the coin. Or you might do a review comparing different products that could be a solution and then showcase why you chose the product you selected. These types of videos can be very effective and they are not difficult to make. Share what you love about the products and any drawbacks you experienced. Providing an honest and thorough review helps people go through the decision-making process. The goal is to answer all of your viewers' questions in a YouTube affiliate video, so they are ready to purchase with your affiliate links before they leave your video. Next is something called tutorial videos. We're all familiar with these. These are the how-to videos, like how to fix a leaky faucet. Making tutorial videos for your YouTube channel is another way to effectively get in front of an audience of people to make affiliate sales. Tutorial videos can be long or short, but they should give all the necessary information for the project. If you give people partial information, they will click away to another more in-depth tutorial for help. Typically, a YouTube video about affiliate marketing is about 10 minutes long. When you're creating tutorial videos, you want to show people step by step how you do things and what you use and what they should use. In addition, since people seeing you using various products or services in the video, you can easily work in affiliate sales by linking the video description to the things you used in the video. The next type of video you can use is promote is a best of videos. The best of videos are easy to do. All you have to do is make a list of the best of whatever it is that you're promoting. Take a look at videos on a certain thing that you want to research, and go over those YouTube videos. And then in the video, you should talk about the pros and cons of each of the products. Go from the least good to the best of the best to make sure you keep watching through the entire video. You can link to all of the products or services you mentioned in the video in your description below the video. Now, getting traffic to your videos. Even if you have the most amazing videos on the internet, you're not going to get any results if no one sees them. Getting traffic is one of the biggest challenges people come across when they are trying to make money through affiliate marketing. The good news is that many people already use YouTube, so you can get some traffic just from being on the site with well-optimized videos. These are called related videos, and we'll go over them below. Now, YouTube related videos. You've likely watched more than one video on a given topic. For instance, you look up a topic that you're doing some research on, and then you see another video that looks more interesting, and you click on that and leave the video you're on. For example, you view one video on YouTube, and then you see a similar video that looks like it'd be more interesting, so you click away to that video. People do this all the time, and that is why you want to show up in YouTube related videos. But first, optimize your content by adding relevant keywords in the title, description, and tag section. Especially the video file that you download. Make sure that has headlines in it and keywords in it, that you rename it. Now, there's a good tip. YouTube currently allows you, like we said, 5,000 characters in your video's description. Be sure to pack as much audience and SEO-friendly content in there as possible. And don't forget to include your affiliate link in the description. To get more traffic from YouTube-related videos, make sure you have interesting thumbnails that attract viewers. That thumbnail was a little poster thing at the very beginning of the video. It highlights what's in the video. And of course, interesting thumbnails that attract viewers and entice them to click once they see the thumbnail. Again, I use Canva, that's C-A-N-V-A, canva.com for my thumbnails. And Canva also has a YouTube video thumbnail template, so they're very easy to use. Google search results. Google search results can be a powerful source of traffic and viewers for your videos. Depending on the keyword term, YouTube videos are more or less likely to show up on the first page of Google. Obviously, that's your goal, to have your video show up on the first page of a Google search for the topic that you're talking about. Now, posting your video content on your blog is a great way to get started with video SEO and to drive targeted traffic to both your blog and your videos. So having a blog is also very crucial to your affiliate marketing success. Here I use Bluehost and WordPress for my blog, and I'm right in the middle of creating my blog with Bluehost and WordPress. Now, before you start ranking videos or any other type of content in Google, search for the keyword term to see if any videos are currently showing up on the first page of Google for that content that you're talking about. If there aren't any videos showing up, this might not be the best keyword to use. So you want to try and find another keyword that shows videos that show up on the first page of Google to target your video SEO when it comes to Google's organic search. However, with good keywords, you'll typically see 2 or 3 YouTube videos ranking on the first page of Google. Now, I'm enrolled in the Partner with Anthony training system, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels $2 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Now, why should you get a coach? One, it'll save you a lot of money in the long run because it'll keep you from making costly mistakes. And 2, it'll get you on the right track, and you'll start making the money a lot faster than if you do this all on your own. In fact, I don't know how people do this all on their own. I mean, I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer, but I have an IQ of 167, and boy, I'm glad I got a coach. Anthony Morrison's complete Affiliate Marketing Video Training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, click on the link below. You'll have to go to more description below, because the first link is a link that will take you to 2 free ebooks that I highly recommend, especially if you're beginning. The 2 free ebooks that I'm offering on the first link that's just below this video are amazing ebooks, and they're great for beginners, and I highly recommend that you click on that link. Now, thank you for watching. I'm glad that you came to my video, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.